invader used to attack the first wall first. Once they Hello, Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon from Belgrade, Serbia. Right now we are in Belgrade Fortress. This is a massive fortress. I don't know who it belonged to, but you can see the river Danube right behind me, and that is split it. You see the main river is flowing there, but this is a branch that's coming out of the main river, and that's right flowing right underneath the castle's wall. If you see this big wall, this is the third wall, the final wall. Just outside that, there's a second wall, and outside of that is a third wall. You can see the third wall. So whenever the invaders come here and they attack the castle, invader used to attack the first wall first. Once they conquered the first wall, then they attack the second wall, and then the third wall. By the time they reach the third wall, they lost a lot of people, because obviously there was the bow and arrows from the top, and in the modern ages, was the cannons. So this is the story, and would you imagine, that people come from the riverside and they still conquered these castles, So imagine, how many lives they lost in that, yeah. But that was the story for the past. That is the story in the current day and age as well. People fight with each other. They capture each other's land. But this place is beautiful. You see, that's the Belgrade. It's not a very big city, but it's quite a sizable city. It used to be the capital of Yugoslavia, the former Yugoslavia. Now is the capital of Serbia, because the former Yugoslavia split into 6 countries, and fortunately we've been to all of them.
Sad ispod pena, ispod truje, zrcanje tu ovdje.
हमने लास्ट टाइम ये बाजार उस तरह से चले थे तो कल्चरल सेंटर आता है